After pressing the Subscribers tab, you'll be able to add subscribers and put them in a group. You can see the list of all your subscribers right over here. Our extremely powerful filter system allows you to find the exact subscribers you are looking for. You can search your subscribers here or filter them by groups, fields, segments, sign-up source, sign-up date, time zone, campaigns, automation workflows, time inactive, and stats. I'll go with sign-up date. Is in the last 30 days. In this case, I have 43 subscribers that signed up to my account in the last 30 days. You can now select all, add or remove them from a group, and unsubscribe or delete them, which will completely delete them from your account. But you can also save a segment and give it a name. The segment will constantly and automatically update itself and have all the current subscribers that have signed up to your newsletter in the last 30 days. And then you can use this segment when sending out a campaign. You can see a list of all the segments you've created over here. Add, view, rename, or delete them here. Deleting a segment doesn't delete the subscribers. It just removes them from the segment. You can also group subscribers by using the Group tab. This works exactly like tags. You can create a new group by using this button here. And you can add new subscribers to your group by clicking the group and then using this button here. You can also view the available subscribers data fields here and add custom data fields here. And of course, clicking stats will show you all your statistics. You can also filter your stats by the specific group here. This was just a quick overview. For instructions on each one of these features, please have a look at the other subscriber management video tutorials, or just click Help while in the Subscriber tab. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.